one of the most difficult questions we have to face up to is how can we regulate the gig economy in a way that protects workers, protects consumers, but also encourages and fosters innovation? Because I think one thing that comes out very clearly from the book is that technology is great. Using algorithms, using GPS, payment systems, our phones to organize the labour market has some real potential upsides for workers, for consumers, for society at large. But at the same time, we need to make sure that we deal with some of those more problematic elements we saw in the darker narratives about the gig economy. Now, the key to, as it were, having both worlds is to ensure there's a level playing field, to ensure that all operators, both established and new, play by the same basic set of rules. That's not a question of sort of stifling disruptive innovation with new regulations, with having new gig laws, new limits imposed on that. Not at all. I think that would be a terrible mistake. But at the same time, I think it's also really important that we don't fall into some sort of technological exceptionalism where we just focus on the technology, which is new and great, without looking at the underlying business model, which may well actually fit into existing regulatory strategies. And that then is a point where we can actually show through a lot of empirical work that regulation, ensuring this level playing field on which companies can compete with each other, is actually not stifling innovation but doing the opposite. It's incentivizing innovation, and it's incentivizing a business environment in which different platforms compete with each other, not through undercutting, not through a sort of lowest common denominator, but actually through providing the best service. And so the upshot is that it's good not just for workers, but actually for consumers and through innovation for all of us.